there, math enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel. I am your teacher Reg. Today, we will dive into another exciting and fun topic. Let us learn how to multiply two digits by one digit together. By the way, if you are currently memorizing the multiplication tables of 1 to 5, you may consider watching my videos about it. I will attach the playlist link in the description below. Going back to our topic, multiplication is like super fast adding. Well, let's say you have 3 bags of candies. Each bag has 12 pieces. You could add 12 plus 12 plus 12 to find the answer. But multiplication makes it quicker. 12 pieces of candies times 3 bags equals 36 pieces of candies. But the question is, how did we solve it? Let me show you the step-by-step process for solving this multiplication problem. First, since we have a two-digit number, which is 12, and a one-digit number, which is 3, we have to put the larger number on top of the smaller number. Second, in the number 12, the 2 is in the ones place and the 1 is in the tens place. Since our number 3 is in the ones place, we need to align it with the ones place, which is the 2, and put it underneath. Third, we multiply the ones digit first. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then multiply tens digit by 3. 1 times 3 is, remember, any number that is multiplied by 1 gives the same result as the number itself. So 1 times 3 is 3. Put your answer aligned with the tens place. Therefore, the product of 12 times 3 is 36. That makes you have 36 pieces of candy. Awesome, right? Learning to multiply bigger numbers is exciting. You should not be afraid of it because I will help you answer it step by step. Also, it's like leveling up your math skills. So, let's have another example. 40 times 5. The ones are 0 and 5, while the tens is 4. We have to multiply first the ones. 0 times 5 is 0. Remember, any number that is multiplied by 0 is always 0. Then, let's multiply the tens. 4 times 5 is 20. Very good. So, the product of 40 times 5 is 200. Good job! You're doing great. Now, you try this. Alright, time's up. Let's answer this one. 16 times 2 equals, the ones are 6 and 2, while the tens is 1. Let's multiply the ones first. 6 times 2 equals 12. Since 12 has 2 digits, we have to carry the tens digits in 12, which is the 1. We will put the 2 underneath the ones, while the 1 is put over the tens. Then multiply the tens, please. 1 times 2 equals 2. Now, add the carryover 1. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Put the 3 underneath the tens. Therefore, the product of 16 times 2 is 32. Good job, children! Now let's have a recap on how to multiply two digits by one digit. First, multiply the ones digits. If the answer is 2 digits, carry the tens over the tens place. Second, multiply the tens digit to ones digit. Remember, any number multiplied by 1 has the same result as the number itself. And any number multiplied by 0 is 0. I know this is a bit challenging, but practice will make you a master math. Now, get ready for a fun quiz! In this quiz, we will use a timer. When you hear this sound, it means your time's up. Good luck! Well done, children! You are all amazing! Thank you for learning multiplication with me. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe now so you can be updated on my new video. Don't forget to like and share. Happy learning! See ya!